Hi guys, how to download HP EliteBook 820 G7. So open any browsers for the download driver. So open any browsers to Google search box to type as it is same. Then which is support.com driver and laptop. So right click to new tab. Scroll down. Accept cookies. Then you have to type model number. Okay, scroll down. This is BIOS diagnostic chipset. Download here. This is graphic card video driver control panel. You can download here. Okay, keyboard, mouse driver, camera driver, button driver, and driver network, NIC, and all are there with the wireless, means your Wi-Fi driver, storage. Okay, I show you one install like camera driver installed. Simple, same method. Click to download. Okay, no thanks. Continue. Okay, this is downloading. Open and then yes. Now this is extract auto. Now this is downloading. This is actually HP support solutions framework. Then next, I agree. This is HP support solution. If you want, doesn't install it. Not required. Cancel it. Because driver now this is installing. This is downloading. Then after that install it. Then open. Yes. Next. I agree. Next. Then after install all driver guys, then restart your system. Okay.